For these problems, what you need to know is that the midsegment is half the length of the side that it is parallel to. For problem number 1, then, you would set it up by saying 2 times 2x minus 9. Doubling the midsegment length will make it equal to that side that it's parallel to. That's the setup. I know that you can do the algebra to solve that, so I'm going to leave it to you to solve it. Now, we will do the same thing for the next one. You say, okay, we know that it's a midsegment. The reason that they give us these numbers here on the sides, 47, 47, 56, 56, is to show that that side is, that point is right at the midpoint. So we know we're dealing with midsegments. How do you set this up? Same way, you will take twice the length of the midsegment, and you will set it equal to the length of the side that it's parallel to. And this is a modification of what you'll learn later, which is the trapezoid mid-segment formula, where you add base 1 and base 2 and divide by 2. Since base 2 here on a triangle, it's essentially like a trapezoid with a base of 0 at the top, then you're really doing that. So you're doing that plus that divided by 2 equals that. Or another way of doing it is do this times 2. So last one here, same idea. If this is 150 and the midsegment is half that length, then that tree's height is 75. That's it.